Welcome back to my channel. Bam! Up in your face, real live, correct. I'm gonna start looking in the camera though, because I be looking over here trying to look at myself, trying to be cute, trying to be like, this ain't Instagram, sis. Going to the gym. I'm taking y'all with me. You're getting real live in my face, real up in my business. Then we gonna do some cardio. We gonna do some back. We gonna do some arms. We gonna do some things. Hear me? The thing. Toot it up right there. Toot it up right there. Toot it up right there. We ain't gonna do no booty today though. But I need to do some booty because I need to get that cake so I can stop being single in these trash streets. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding about not really, but I need to get that cake up, but it ain't gonna get caked up just yet. We gonna do back and we gonna do arm. Okay, first we're starting out with cardio. We're gonna burn these buns, girls. Burn these buns. Starting out with cardio. We're on the treadmill. We're sweating our booties off. All right. 12 incline, 3 speed. I learned this from TikTok. This is very essential to your workout. Alright, at this point I was exhausted, tired. It wasn't easy, but you know, your girl kept going. We kept going. Did you see what I'm at? 28 minutes. Sweating. Girl, when I say this make you sweat, this make you sweat. I literally stopped at 29.59. I know I'm petty, but I got it done though. I got it done. And you see all that sweat? Sweat check. Sweat check. Me is hot. Now we're going to find the ab machine. So we're going to start off with abs, girls and guys. And Planet Fitness got a lot of machines that are like diamonds in the rough. So you just got to search and figure out what works for you and just go in there with a plan. Copy. So the first machine I chose was the abdominal pull down machine. I chose that so that I could hit this abs strong, girl, strong. So what I did was I worked with heavier reps, more reps, had less weight, and then I worked my way up. So towards the end, I'm going to be ending with 75 pounds, and I started with 50. Get it? So you do 25 reps of 50, 15 reps of 65 pounds, and then you do 75 pounds of 10 reps, and you just keep on going like that. I learned that from somebody I used to work out with that was basically fit as hell. So if it worked for them, it's gonna work for me. To rest, you know, you gotta rest and I guess check out your surroundings. And I don't know who the hell I was looking at, but I was like, yeah, all right. Remember, 30-second rest in between. 30-second rest in between. You see how so much movement around me? You gotta do what you gotta do. And I was still recording. I was like, I don't give a damn. Like, it is what it is. The next machine is the torso rotation machine. Don't forget to clean because it's still COVID out here in these streets. But yeah, the torso rotation machine. It's also an ab machine, and don't forget to hold in your core while you're doing these ab machines. Like tighten your core, like it's like you're sucking it in basically. It's also helping like contract those muscles and work them out even stronger. Oh, I just skipped that rep, so yeah, I didn't have to watch that. This is the shoulder lift machine. This machine was tough, baby. It was tough, baby. So it was a couple of times where I was struggling. But I kept going. I was like, you know what? My legs are shaking. I'm as tired. Because mind you, it's late at night. It is what it is. I just got to focus on what I want, how I want my body to be. And literally push through. Like I was going to try and do the high reps and the lower and the weights go up as you go. But that wasn't working for this machine. So I just stuck to 25 reps of, 25 pounds, 8 reps. I forgot what I did, but I put it in here. And I started turning myself up. I started playing that Bobby Shmurda. You know, he just came back home from Brooklyn. BK all day. But yeah, I just had to be my own hype man and just get out of my own head and just, push through. I was struggling though. I ain't gonna front. I was struggling on this machine. But I made it work. I adjusted to what I could do. Just did, 3 reps of the same weight and I just kept pushing through. That's what you gotta do. Alright, so this is the last machine I did in the gym. It's the pull down machine. I was literally in the gym for a hot minute. And I apologize the way the video is now because I learned how to record while listening to music, which obviously doesn't help your video because look what it does to your video. Look what it does. Look. But anyway, I'm killing this machine. Y'all see me killing this machine? I'm killing it. I mean, it's going a little fast because I speeded up a little bit because I didn't want to make this video 15 minutes. But you see that? I did basically the same thing. And I did a rap battle with myself. I did just basically the same thing. I did, higher pounds as I went up and less reps as I went down, Well, yeah, you know what I mean. Started at 50 pounds, 10. No, started at 50 pounds. And then 65 and 75. And this one I was killing it. And basically I want to show you guys my body so that when I do more videos like this you can see how far I've come. I don't have the best body, but it is what it is. I got stretch marks, if your girl had a whole baby. It is what it is. But I'll be pushing through it, making it work. I'm slim thick coming through, slim thick coming true. Alright, I see you sweating. Alright. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys, motivate the mommies out there. You're getting it all. Light on so you can see me. Woo! You see that skin though? Melanin popping. Alright. You see that glow? Alright. I know you see it. I know you see it. I know you. Just finished the gym. Yo, the struggle to record in there. It's a freaking struggle. The struggle to record in that bitch. But you know what? I pushed through. I made it happen. Footage, baby. You got some footage, baby. Don't say I never do nothing. But anyway, thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Like, comment, and subscribe. Say hi to my bun. I'm hyped now. I'm hungry. But now it's 11 o'clock at night, so I got to go to bed. I'm going to drink a protein shake and be like, night, night, and night, night.